Hi everybody, and welcome back to another ACTY video. In today's video, I'm going to be giving the truck a little TLC. So just some things that I've been ignoring for a really long time, that I've been meaning to get done and just, haven't found the time or just didn't want to do it. Yeah, for a while I've been rocking one hubcap. I made that video ages ago and I just put one on just to see what it was going to look like. I intended to paint the wheels shortly after, but then like a lot of other things needed to be prioritized, and so I never got around to painting the wheels, and I'm really not certain when I will, so I may as well just throw on the hubcaps. How's it looking? Leave a comment below if you guys like these hubcaps or not. I think they look alright. I think in hindsight though, I would have gone with a different color. I don't know how I feel about the white. Let me know. And just a side note, I finally got an impact. You guys have been buying my service book or using the Amazon affiliate links I post in the description. Really helps the channel generate some funds so I can make upgrades along the way. So thank you to everyone that supports the channel. Alright, so the next hubcap we gotta put on is in the rear. So we're gonna jack from the back. So I just released the jack slightly, got my jack stands under there. I'll keep the jack in place for now, and we'll get this rear tire removed. All 4 hubcaps are on. Yeah. Alright, so next we're gonna take our wiper blades off here because they're toast. They're not doing anything anymore. We're gonna remove these and put on our new 15-inch blades. So the ACTY has a J-clip style arm, which you can just theoretically you just basically pull the blade off and there it goes, and then you stick the blade back on. And then to get it back in, same position, except we're gonna be pulling it in. All right, the new blades are installed. Let's test them. One more thing, I almost forgot. I'm gonna refinish my battery cover. One of you actually suggested that in my last video with the bumper refinish, and yeah, it's an excellent idea. I mean, I've got paint left, and this could use some retouching, so let's do it. Okay, so I'm just waiting for the battery cover to dry. I'm gonna finish up the last, couple things. But I wanted to take a moment to ask y'all if you have any questions for me about the K-Truck specifically. I want to make a Q&A type video a little bit down the road, and so I'm just gathering questions. So if you have any questions for me that you want answered, leave them in the comments. Alright, so we're almost done. Here's the last job for today. It's probably not 100% dry, but I'm tired. I want to go home. Alright, well that's going to do it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, thanks so much, and I'll catch you in the next one.